just dropped something.
Not true. I think he just lost a feather. And what a feather!
Grandpa Ted, did you just see that funny bird in the sky?
Ho ho ho! That's Matu! He's the bird of Pirate Sam. Sadly, he just escaped.
But if he has escaped, we have to retrieve him and get him back to Sam!
Yes, you're right, Alice. But be careful, Matu is quite the little joker. If you all think you can try to get him back, come with me to Truck Control!
Yes! Woohoo!
Dear Mini Trucks, your brand new mission of the day is to help Sam the pirate to retrieve his bird Matu. He's waiting for you in the forest. You are going to be equipped with helicopter modules.
Boy, to be able to fly as high and fast as a bird!
You're exactly right, Alex. You are also going to have walkie-talkie headsets to give you the possibility to communicate between each other. For this mission, your teamwork is crucial. I am programming the launch pad to send you into the forest so that you are able to find him. Good luck, Mini Trucks!
Yippee!
4, 3, 2, 1. Mini Trucks, go!
Hi there, Pirate Sam!
Ahoy to you, Mini Trucks!
Rest assured that with our help, you're gonna get Matu back in no time!
Thank you, Mini Trucks. But first of all, I have to explain something to you. I have hidden a treasure in Chef Cookie's vegetable garden. The treasure contains a necklace.
Oh!
And Matu, you know he loves this necklace. He has one goal, and that's to steal it and bring it to his nest, which is near the lighthouse.
Oh, stealing's not a good thing.
You must understand that pirate birds are always jokers, Lisa. Could you help me get my necklace back before Matu discovers it and takes it?
Yes! We should split up into 2 teams. One team goes to Chef Cookie's restaurant, and the other team goes to the lighthouse to trap Matu.
Super idea, Jeremy!
We're all ready for takeoff! Here we go! Alex, follow me!
Come on, Alice. It's this way.
Do you copy? 1, 2, 1, 2. Lisa speaking, and we hear you.
We've just found some feathers belonging to Matu. We're following them. Did you find anything?
We're near the lighthouse.
There is no sign of Matu here.
Alice, check it out. Matu is in front of us.
No, Matu, you let go of that necklace.
Oh no, he's getting away. We've just seen Matu. Too late. He's flying away with the necklace.
He's coming towards you. Are you ready? You can't run from us now!
That's right, you're surrounded.
My prankster bird, the Mini Trucks caught you red-handed. Even if you do like this necklace, it's not right to do dishonest things like steal.
I think he's looking to be forgiven.
It's all right just this once, but listen, don't ever try stealing again.
Well done, bravo, Mini Trucks! Your great teamwork and your strategy have proven you worthy of your reward. You have won the Treasure Keeper Cup. I'm so proud of you all.
Wow! We'll just have to hide this one really well to keep Matu from stealing it. First they go right here, and then slide like this, then there.
This circuit is just too easy. Huh?
Grandpa Ted, we've built our own circuit!
I see that you want to test out your sense of direction. Very well. I know where I can send you for a real challenge.
Really? Where to, Grandpa Ted?
You will find out soon enough. Everyone to truck control.
Yahoo!
Yeah.
Dear Mini Trucks, your new mission of the day is to complete an orienteering course through an environment that can only be called difficult.
In the desert?
No way, Alex! It's in the mountains!
No. Underwater.
Oh!
I'm going to equip you with submarine modules. I'm preparing the launch pad so that the four of you can join Eve, where she's preparing a course that you will not soon forget.
Woohoo!
Four, three, two, one. Mini trucks, go!
Hello, mini trucks. Are you ready for some underwater orienteering?
Yeah!
To begin with, I need you to form 2 teams.
Lisa, shall we be together?
Okay, as long as you don't boss me around.
Me? Never!
Jeremy, together we're gonna beat him hands down.
You bet.
Each team is going to follow a course with 5 colored beacons that will light up as you pass them. Each time you find a beacon, look carefully around you. The next one is always in close proximity. The first team to light up all the beacons wins the race.
Aw, that's too easy. We just need to follow the path.
Hold on. Don't be too sure of yourself, Alex. You need to be very attentive, and remember, underwater navigation is not just in a straight line. On your marks, get set, and go!
Yeah! The first one!
Let's go there.
Look, there's the first one. And the second one.
Alex, you're going the wrong way! There aren't any beacons in that direction!
Yeah, but I'm sure there are. Follow me. There's no time to lose.
Alex, wait up! And there's 2. Let's go!
Wait up. We must look around for the third beacon, Alice. Underwater navigation is not just a straight line. What?
I understand now. In water, we can move in every direction. Forward, backwards, and also down and up. There's the third beacon.
Hello there, Mrs. Whale.
Oh, I think I've gone the wrong way.
Well, I did tell you not to make a decision all on your own.
I'm very sorry, Lisa. We're doing this as a team, and I should not go alone.
Okay, Alex, but now, come on. If not, the others are going to finish this race before us.
Lisa, look there! Below! Let's go see!
Woohoo! And the third! Come on, Alex, let's go! Come!
Yeah! We found the fourth beacon.
We really do make a good team!
On to the last one.
It's the last beacon! Nearly there! We have won!
It's a tie, mini trucks.
What an adventure! It wasn't as easy as I had first thought.
Well, I did tell you, didn't I?
Congratulations, my dear Mini Trucks. You truly deserve the Challenge Cup for underwater orienteering.
Hooray!
I'm gonna put this one in my bathtub. Wow! Now that's some cup.
Yeah, it's the Riddle Hunt Cup.
It is indeed. To win this cup, you must prove your sense of deduction.
Deduction? But what does that mean?
Deduction means proving things with reason and logic.
Oh, I see.
If you want to win this cup, You will need to be able to solve 3 riddles.
3 riddles? No problem. Let's do it.
Yeah!
So then, everyone to truck control.
Yippee! Yeah, let's all roll for the riddle hunt!
For your brand new mission, Detective Truck has prepared 3 riddles for all of you to solve in the Trucksville forest. I'm programming the launch pad, so Godspeed, dear mini truck. Four, 3, 2, 1, mini trucks, go!
Well, hello there, mini trucks. Tell me, are you ready to work at your riddle solving?
Yes!
Here are the rules. There are 3 riddles to solve. Each riddle that you solve will take you to the next one.
Understood. Now please tell us the first one, Detective Truck.
Listen carefully. I have a hat, but I have no head. A foot, but I have no shoe. So tell me who I am. Be sure to look everywhere around you, mini trucks. The answer can be found right here.
Okay, so it has a hat but no head? That doesn't mean anything. Huh? Huh.
Oh, I know! They're mushrooms! Look, they have a hat but no head and a foot but no shoes. That means the first riddle has been solved.
Wow, you're really good, Alice.
Look right here, an old parchment. It says here that I am a stranger in the middle of those who are similar.
Similar, that means that they look like you.
I think this second riddle is way too hard for me. If they're similar, it can't be a stranger.
Go on now and be observant.
I've got an idea, but I will need a little something to start.
Grandpa Ted to the rescue.
Grandpa, I really need a helicopter unit.
Oh, no problem, Alex. I have everything you need in my tune-up tunnel.
Woohoo! I found it! Follow me! It's the only fir tree.
It's a tree, all right.
That is not like the other trees out here. A stranger in the middle of those that look similar. So cool.
Attention! This is the third and final riddle. I return always a smile when it is given to me.
Why are you smiling like that?
To see if you are sending me back a smile.
Well, the answer isn't Alex, that's for sure. I wonder what could actually return our smile.
You're nearly finished. This is the last riddle.
Hey, come here! Check this out. I always send back the smiles that are given to me. It's my reflection.
Wow, the cups!
Bravo, mini trucks. You did a great job.
Your reasoning skills are incredibly amazing. You truly deserve these special riddle cups.
Alex, found you! Jeremy, I recognize your voice.
Oh no!
Alice, you can come out from there now. Oh, that's not fair.
What are you playing, my dear mini trucks?
It's hide and seek.
But we're no good at hiding. Lisa finds us super fast.
Ha ha ha! Do any of you know who else is a champion at hide and seek?
No. So tell us, Grandpa.
It's an owl, and I have a brand new mission for you. Everyone to truck control my mini truck.
Yippee! A new challenge!
My dear mini truck, to learn how to hide just like an owl, I am sending you on a mission. You must discover an old owl in the Trucksville forest.
But how are we going to find one?
You will have to demonstrate both discretion and observation.
So does that mean we're going camping?
Yes, Jeremy. I'm programming the launch pad to send you directly into the forest. Prepare for takeoff.
Yippee!
4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
So now how are we gonna find this owl?
Let's split up. That way we'll have a better chance of finding one.
Huh? Come look over here. I think I found one.
Oh!
Ah!
What has happened? I was just fooling around with Jeremy.
Very funny. Okay, it's gonna get dark soon. Let's set up our campsite.
Good idea!
Just in time, and our tents are finally up.
Hello, my mini trucks. You still haven't found an owl yet.
No, Grandpa. And now it's nighttime, so we will never find one.
Yes, you will. Come on up to the tune-up tunnel. I have just what you need. I've equipped you with the headlamp so that you can continue your search for the owl at night. You see, owls sleep during the day, but are up at night.
Really? We do the opposite.
Yes, that's right. That is why it's so difficult to find one. Now it's up to you four.
Okay, let's go find one.
Oh, what's that funny noise?
That's the cry of the owl. Listen, choo-wee, choo-woo. Let's be quiet and get closer. That's bizarre. I still can't see it.
Look over there. There! Something's looking at us.
It's the owl.
Oh, so that is how they hide themselves. By taking shelter in the trunk of a tree, of course.
Exactly right. You have discovered the secret of the owls. Now it's time for you four to go to bed. Everyone to their tents. Did you know that in my youth, I was actually pretty good at playing hide and seek? I remember one time when I... But where have they all gone? You got me good there.
See that, Grandpa Ted? We were well hidden, right?
Yes, indeed. And just like a real owl, you deserve the Champions Cup for playing hide and seek.